Hello and welcome back to our channel. My name is Angelo Boswell. I'm a Technical Alignment Manager here at Tectron Business IT Services. Our goal is to provide you with the very best business solutions using the Microsoft stack. In today's video, we're going to walk you through a step-by-step process on how to enable Windows automatic enrollment into Microsoft Intune. This will make your life easier by ensuring your devices are automatically enrolled and managed through Intune when joining to Azure Active Directory. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First, open a new tab in Microsoft Edge. Then, in the address bar, type intune.microsoft.com and press enter to go to the Microsoft Intune Admin Center. Once inside, navigate to the left-hand menu and click on Devices. Then, in the Devices pane under Device Onboarding, click on Enrollment. Scroll down to the Enrollment option selection and select Automatic Enrollment. Then, in the MDM User Scope section, select All to apply automatic enrollment for all users. Once done, click Save to confirm your changes. By following these steps, you've successfully enabled automatic enrollment into Microsoft Intune for any user who performs an Azure Active Directory join with their Windows device. This ensures the devices are managed centrally, keeping them secure and compliant with your organizational policies. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more IT management tips and tutorials. Also, feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or need further assistance with your Intune setup. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.